Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to stop Conda from automatically activating the base environment every time you open a terminal. If you prefer to work in a clean terminal without automatically entering the base environment, this tutorial is for you. Let's get started. Close PowerShell. Then open an Anaconda prompt or command prompt and type this command, conda config set auto_activate_base false. This will stop Conda from automatically activating the base environment in any terminal. A really useful command if you're using multiple terminal types. And that's it. Now you know how to stop Conda from automatically activating the base environment. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.